Dwyane Wade returned from injury in this game against the Nets. And when he first got injured, everybody assumed that he was out for the season. They didn't think he'd be able to come back, and here he is. There's only a few games left in the regular season. The Bulls are trying to make the playoffs, so these are very important games. And this was a good one from start to finish. Jimmy Butler, look at that shot over the double team. The Bulls have the lead momentarily. They're up by 7 in the fourth quarter. Wade in the post, a fadeaway spinning, making it look easy. He looks good coming back from injury. But the Nets would not give up at home, making it splash. The crowd is going crazy. They're only down by 3 in transition. The hustle, the and one layup. It's a 1-point game. They're slashing again. They can't keep anybody out of the paint. Nets take the lead with 2 minutes to go, 35 seconds. Chicago down by 2. Jimmy Butler ties the game with the step back from mid-range. 20 seconds, Nets winding it down. 9 on the shot clock. Over the pick and roll, into the paint again, and he's fouled by Dwyane Wade reaching in. Coach is not happy. They go up by 2. Jimmy Butler, 8 seconds to tie the game, or maybe to win. He pulls up for 3, misses, it's off. Rebound. And that will do it. The Bulls lose this game, and they need every game they can get. They've only got 2 left to sneak into the playoffs. This is a tough loss. Damian Lillard scored a franchise record 59 points in this game. He beats everybody. He beats Clyde Drexler. He beats all the Portland Trailblazer greats for the most points in a game. It was amazing. You know he's getting that diamond card in 2K.